Talented Creators is a collaboration where you can show off your DIY skills in making something that is unique and useful. Well, today things are all about glass that are useful. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. So check out how you can use it and that it will be useful. Also, happy birthday to my January subscribers that I know of: Lamar, Heather, Gilbert, Derek, Julia, and Julius. And of course, me. I'm born in January. And to all of my other subscribers that are watching, thanks much. DIY number 1, a mouthwash glass bottle. Supplies needed include a decorative glass bottle, mouthwash, and an oil pour stopper. I got tired of my mouthwash bottle not working and decided to make something new. So I was visiting the bin store in Chicago and I came across a box full of small decorative bottles. I was like, I hit the jackpot. I thought I would use them for another time and another DIY. I noticed a stopper that I had in an oil bottle, and I thought, that would be great for the mouthwash bottle. I removed it from the oil bottle, cleaned it thoroughly with soap and water, and then of course, you got to check it out to make sure it will work, or you're not going to have a DIY. And it fit perfectly into the small bottle. I poured the mouthwash into the bottle, pushed in the stopper, and set it on the counter in the bathroom. It works so much better. It is also possible to use the oil stopper from Dollar Tree. So let me know what your thoughts are on this one and if you're going to try this one. DIY number 2, a glass hurricane candle holder. The supplies needed include a glass hurricane, a glass candle holder, and a candle. That is it, folks. This has to be among the easiest DIYs ever, and it is so modern and beautiful. I took a Dollar Tree hurricane vase, cleaned it, and put a glass Dollar Tree holder in the inside. Now, you just need to be careful when you put it inside the hurricane because it is glass inside glass, so you don't want to break anything. I had a short white candle that fit perfectly inside the glass candlestick, and it looks fantastic. I lit the candle and styled it around a wire string of red pom-poms, kind of for the Valentine's Day look, and it looks so high-end. So let me know what you think of this one. Now, Talented Creators are hosted by DIY with Aria and Loli D's Creations. The guest host is Buffy Designs. I enjoy this collaboration with these talented women. They are awesome, they love to craft, and they're innovative. So make sure you subscribe, like, and save. The link to their channels is in the description box below. There are some other crafters out there who are also very talented, so we have to make sure we check out their channels as well. And the link to the playlist is in the description box below. DIY number 3, a glass vase and light. Now, the supplies needed include a small white glass container, a light bulb, string lights. It's kind of like a hanger, the little hood, and then there's a bulb, and then there's string lights inside that. You guys know the deal. You've seen it many times. And a large Christmas bulb. Now, a lot of my DIYs are tried first in the store to see if it really works. Then I take them home and put them together. So this DIY makes a nice night light, and you can remove it because I'm not going to use any glue. Now, I had a small white vase. I think somebody gave it to me or I thrifted it. I can't remember exactly where I got it from. But I also had a hanging light, which was from Dollar Tree, along with a large Christmas bulb. Nevertheless, I put the hanging light upside down into the white vase. And then I put the large clear ornament over the bulb. And of course, you need to turn on the light and see the beautiful glow. And you can put it in your bedroom, you can put it on your console table, anywhere. I think it looks really great. Now, I had a gold hanging light and a black hanging light. Which one do you like the best? Because I'm going to... Now, this is so easy and it looks high-end just by turning it upside down. Now, while you're making this, you can sing, "This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine." DIY number 4, a glass heart matchstick holder. Supplies needed include a small heart-shaped bottle, matches, large and small, heart window clings, they're small, match striker, and a red heart for the cork top. I found this heart bottle, I think it was either a Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. And I just cleaned it up and I put a window clean red heart on the front, and then I had a smaller one and I put that on the back of the bottle, and that's because Valentine's Day is coming up and I want to make something for that you can leave out for a while. In fact, it might be good to leave it out all year because the world needs now is love, sweet love. I was experimenting with small matches and tall matches, and the tall matches won. The reason being is that a bunch of small matches were difficult to remove. However, you can just put a few inside and it may work out a little better. Then I cut a piece of the match striker from a large box that I had, and I just cut it to fit on the bottom of the bottle. Then I put the tall matches inside and styled it with the hurricane base, the red pom-poms around it. It makes a nice pair, doesn't it? So not only does a match striker hold your matches, but it allows you the ability to light a match upon it as well, eliminating the need for you putting out any matchbooks or matchboxes or lighters, which are kind of hideous and maybe dangerous. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. Creativity is good for your health and it keeps your mind so active. Sometimes things turn out great and sometimes it's, oh well, but hey, you tried. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. This is Oprah Winfrey. Blessings. Love, Cindy.